Hi children, today you are going to study the lesson Polynomials with your maths teacher Pragna. Let me start with even more familiar concept of polygon. Polygon are shapes with many sides like pentagon with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides, heptagon with 7 sides, octagon with 8 sides, etc. Similarly, polynomials are expression with many terms. Poly, which means many, and nomials, which means terms. So expression with many terms are called as polynomial. Here is an example. 3x cube plus 9x square minus 2x minus 7. Here you can see it is having 4 terms. That's why it is called as polynomial. Let us see what about the expression with less than 3 terms. If the expression is having only one term 3x cube, then we call it as monomial. If we include 9x square along with 3x cube, it is having 2 terms which is called as binomial. If minus 2x is also included, then it has 3 terms known as trinomial. Let us take the same example 3x cube plus 2x square minus 9x minus 7. Here x are called as variable because it is the unknown term. And the number whichever there in front of the variable are called as coefficient. You can see the number 3 plus 2 minus 9 which are there in front of the variable x. We call these type of numbers as coefficient or constant. And also we can see some of the number which are written in the superscript place like 3, 2 which are written as a power. These type of numbers which are written in the superscript place are called as power or exponent. Any variable with no power is considered to be 1, and the constant number can be written as x to the power 0, which is also equal to 1. So these power like 3, 2, 1, we call it as exponent also, and together all the total expression is called as polynomial. And the highest power whichever there in the polynomial is said to be degree of the polynomial. And in this expression you can see the highest power is 3. Hence the degree of this given polynomial is 3. Now let us see what will be the degree of polynomial with multiple variable. In the above example you can see you are having only one variable x. So the degree is highest power 3. Now here is another example with multiple variable x, y, z. So at the beginning I have written all the powers of the variable as 1. Because if the variable is not given any power, then it is considered to be 1. So identify the power of the variables. This is the first step. And second step is you are adding all the powers of the term. So in the first term you are having x is 1, y is 1, z is 1. Together it is 3. Similarly you are doing for all the term, and you can see here highest power whichever you are having is 3. So the degree of multiple variable here is 3. And hence you will write the degree of the given expression is 3. Here is an example with degree 3. So such type of polynomial are called as cubic polynomial. Let us assume if there is no first term, then you are having the equation with the highest degree 2. And this type of polynomials are known as quadratic polynomial.
Quadratic polynomial is a polynomial with
if I consider 2x square is not there, then I am having the expression minus 9x minus 7. So here you are having the variable with the highest degree 1. So polynomial with the highest degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. So here you have seen 3 types of polynomial: cubic, quadratic and linear.
Okay, so let us make a table so that we remember it properly. So first column would
Let
be
us make
degree,
a table for the
then
better
we have
understanding.
Types of polynomials, then we'll
Degree,
write an example
types and
so
example.
that we understand it better. Okay.
When the
So,
degree
when the
of any
degree is one,
polynomial is 1,
the polynomial is of
then
the
we
type
call it as a linear polynomial.
For
And here is the
let's
example
say 3x plus
3x
7.
plus
We have
7.
only one
Here
degree,
x
right?
is a variable and its
When the
highest
degree
degree
is
is
2,
1.
then we have
If the degree is
quadratic
2,
polynomial.
we call
Let's
the
say, for
such type of
example,
polynomial as
3x
quadratic
squared plus
polynomial.
2x
And
plus
here is the
7.
example where the degree
Then
of
when we
polynomial
have
highest
a
power
degree
is
of
2.
3,
And if the
then we
degree
call
of
it a
polynomial is
cubic
3, then we call
polynomial.
it
For
as a
example,
cubic
let's say 3x
polynomial.
cubed plus
Here
2x
is the example
squared
with the highest
plus
power
7x
3.
plus 9. But what can we
And
notice
here
over
we
here?
notice
see
as
that
the degree
as the
increase, the term
increase,
also
even the
increases.
terms
See,
increase.
degree is 1,
But
you are
why?
having 2 terms.
Because these degrees are nothing but the
If
highest
the degree is
powers.
2, you are
And
having
below
in the
these
example
highest
3
powers
term.
are
And
other
if the degree
terms
is 3, you are
which
having
contain
example
lower
with the
powers
4
than this.
term.
So 3 will
Thank you.